Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Zombie Claw, Zombie Wrangler, and Shape Nouveau BM XL504. It's an oldie. I've started off with Nailtiques Formula 2, and this is Zombie Claw, and it's Zombie Wrangler, and this was a duo exclusive that I picked up at the Polish and Beauty Expo, and you guys, I don't know why it took me so long to get to this one because you guys know I love pink. And this one, I'm telling you, the camera don't do it justice. It's wicked beautiful. Oh my goodness. Here we go with our second coat of that. And we're going to do a third coat just cause I really wish the camera would show y'all. Oh, hi Woody, how you doing? I wish the camera would show y'all how pretty this one is. Oh my gosh. Stinking gorgeous. Alright, 3 coats on. We're going to top it with I&M's out the door. Going to get it to dry down. So pretty, so pretty. Here's a swatch photo of it on its own. And here we go with Shape Nouveau. And it's BM XL504. And this is not in my comfort zone, y'all. Cleaning that plate off with some acetone. We'll be stamping with bases loaded lacquer on the black. And I've got my little cube stamper from Maniology and my H. Lacosadora scraper. And I'm just going to pick up 5 different images for this manicure. We're going to just wing it today. And here we go. Roll it, pick it up. I'm going to use a little piece of tape to pull up excess image that I don't want transferred to my nail. There we go. I'm going to get that turned around. And squeeze it on the nail. There we go. I am going to clean my stamper off on a lint roller. I'm not going to bother cleaning the plate just yet because like I said, I'm going to use different images from this plate. So we can just keep bumping along. There we go. Another beautiful image. It's not like me to use these plates, and you know, I need to do it more often, and stepping out of my comfort zone is a good thing. I really do enjoy the manicures once I've got them done. It's just I'm not gravitating towards them and drawn to them and picture them in my head and all that. I just, you know, need to step out that comfort zone, get out of my box every once in a while. And I really think this one turned out really fun. Definitely different for me. And I was going to pick this image, and I'm going to do a scrape and pick up. Come on, get the stamper. And it didn't pick up so well, so I'm just going to clean it off and move on to another image. Once you've got something on a stamper that you like, go for it. But if you're not happy with it on the stamper, skip it. Just move on to the next thing. It's just my advice to you. Get that on that pinky nail. There we go. Lovely. Alrighty, so I did my cleanup. There wasn't hardly anything to clean up on my nails, just one little area. And I'm cleaning the plate with pure acetone. I'm going to top these with the smudge-free top coat from Maniology. And once that's dry, I'll be using Poshe top coat to finish this one off. And I was really happy with this one. Very much into it. And I hope you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this. Here's my swatch photo. And that is it for me today. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.